prepare tasty khapse, Nepali cuisine. First, make sugar water. Prepare plain flour in container and add ghee. Mix it and add sugar water until dough becomes soft. Let it sit for 20 minutes. Now let's divide dough into pieces. Roll each pieces to make roti and cut it to make square. Let's make 3 khapse from this square. Divide square into 3 pieces and make a cut in middle of those pieces. Make a shape and keep aside. Now let's heat oil and deep fry until color is red. Take out khapse and enjoy.